Hi, I'm Eddie. I'm the reviews expert here at Startups, and today I'm actually joined by Olivia, who's our in-house research specialist. Olivia, thanks so much for joining us.
Hi Eddie, thanks for having me.
Great, so you've actually spent a pretty considerable amount of time analysing, testing and researching accounting software for us. What are our top 3 options for small businesses choosing accounting software?
Yeah, of course. So after all the rigorous research, we found that Zoho Books, QuickBooks and FreeAgent were the top performing accounting software.
Brilliant. So why don't we start with Zoho Books, which is our #1 overall choice for accounting software for small businesses. Would you mind just running us through why we made that decision and what are kind of the standout features that make it #1 for us?
Yeah, so Zoho Books really stood out for its modern design and user-friendly interface, which was picked up a lot during user testing. It's also really effective at documenting transactions and has a really nice time tracking feature that's easily converted into billable hours. It also does have a free plan, so if you're a sole trader or micro business, this would be a great option as well.
Great, and yeah, I completely agree on the usability when I was testing it. That kind of user-friendly nature of it just really stood out to me. Moving on to QuickBooks, what would you say the top features of QuickBooks are and who's it best for?
Yeah, so I think QuickBooks is definitely for small businesses requiring advanced financial insights. So it has a really nice cash flow projection tool, which can make this really easy. It's also really great for advanced customization. So you have the ability to create new reports or modify existing templates, so you can really establish that strong brand authority.
Great, thank you. Finally, last but not least, could you tell us about FreeAgent?
Yeah, of course. So one feature that stood out on FreeAgent was it was actually the only software we tested that had built-in tax forecasting tools at no extra cost. It can also alert users to potential shortfalls or surpluses, and this combined with the scenario prediction feature means businesses can be confident that they are maintaining visibility in their financial health. Interestingly, if you bank with NatWest, Royal Bank of Scotland, Ulster Bank or Metal Bank, you also get FreeAgent for free.
Brilliant. FreeAgent living up to its name, for those circumstances anyway.
Yeah.
Great. Well, Olivia, thank you so much for joining us, and your insight was really helpful. Obviously, those are just the top 3 options. The rest of our options for the best accounting software for small businesses can be found in the full article, along with pros, cons, pricing, and everything else you'll need to know. Thanks for joining us, Olivia, and thanks so much for watching.